For Giclée Canvas, we offer something truly special. We start off with a super smooth canvas. That way there's no bumps or rough canvas textures when we print your image directly onto the canvas. And this helps also get nice, defined, crisp details. What we do is we take it from there and we put our continuous lamination on the top, and it's a non-spray, non-liquid, which really helps, as you can see here, with the stretching. So it makes it so it won't crack, it won't chip, and it really makes it a nice finish. And speaking of finishes, we have 4 styles that we offer for our wraps. We offer the mirrored edge wrap, the solid color wrap, the natural wrap, and the black taped edges, all of which have unique advantages. So when you're sending in your order, if you're not sure which style you like, we can definitely look at your file and give our recommendation based on your image.